What is Name Picker Wheel? Wheel of Names is a free online tool where the spinning wheel random decides which name is the winner of a raffle. You can add up to 360 names in the wheel picker. The tool will pick a random name from the wheel of names after spinning. You can share the winner and create a unique share URL after the random wheel spin ended. You can also decide to spin the wheel again. Split names by space. By default, the list of names is split by a new line or comma. But sometimes you just want to add quickly names by adding a space in between. Selecting the split by space option will make this work. Filter duplicate names. By default, we don't filter duplicate names from the spinning wheel. But we could imagine that sometimes when using a larger list of names, you could add a duplicate name by mistake. Enabling this filter will prevent having duplicate names in the wheel of names. Animation duration. You can select how many seconds the animation will take before picking a random name from the wheel of names. You can choose from 1 second up to 10 seconds before the wheel stops spinning. Customize wheel colors. You can customize the colors of the wheel by using the predefined sets of colors. This can be all colors, set of colors, black or white or gray. Besides the wheel colors, you can also select the color of the winning wheel segment. After a name is chosen, the segment will turn into that color, so it is easy to recognize the winner. Remove name from wheel of names after draw. If you are planning to pick multiple names with the wheel picker and if you want to prevent a name to be chosen twice, you can choose to remove the name from wheel after the wheel spin. If this option is selected and if you spin the wheel again, the previous winner will be removed from the wheel of names. What options or feature do you want to see in the wheel of names? If you think this video is useful, just share it to others and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit also the notification bell for more videos. Thank you and God bless.